so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, we have another friend mail exchange with Food Makeup Skin. I'll leave my friend mail playlist to watch previous friend mails, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. I was really excited when Laura reached out to do another friend mail exchange, and this box is bulging, so let's go on ahead and let her rip. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. She definitely stuffed it to the max. Ooh, we have another bamboo toothbrush. Believe we had one in our previous friend mail. Ooh, pumpkin spice vegan travel candle. Yes, she's getting me into the fall mood. Oh, that smells so good. I cannot wait to start burning this. Ooh, what's this? Chocolate coconut shea lip sugar scrub. I need lip scrubs so bad. Your girl has the driest lips. I have found 2 lip scrubs that have worked out really nice for me. JSC and then one from Dirty Lamb that I got in one of my Bella skincare boxes. So I'm really excited to see how this one rivals those 2. Ooh, by Hello, activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil epic whitening toothpaste. Okay, good, because this tooth is very discolored. I don't know why. Probably all the coffee that I drank, so gotta give this a shot for sure. Ooh, are these like little makeup eraser wipes? Hell yeah, because I really like these more precise rounds to really help get in on my eyelid to get that eyelash glue off. Oh, it's such a bitch. Then we got a cherry blossom hand sanitizer. Awesome. I am definitely going through my fair share of sanitizers these days, and it's almost hard to find around here, so that's good to have another travel one. Is this like a hair tie with like a cute little pom-pom thingamabob? Trying to look cute, maybe? There we go. Leave that right there. It's cute, I think. Hopefully I'm wearing that right. Am I showing my age? Am I getting too old? Is that what that is? Ooh, by Kibest, the volumizing mascara. I don't think I've heard of this brand. Okay. Cute packaging. And this is what the wand looks like. I'm staring at this wand thinking that my mind is playing tricks on me if it does have an hourglass shape, or is it straight? It has like a little groove to it. I really found that the best mascaras for volumizing for me do have like that hourglass shape to it. So we'll definitely have to put this to the test. I do have like the most pitiful lashes, so I definitely need a volumizing and lengthening for sure. And then we have this little oil sample by Lumine. Maybe that's how you pronounce it. I'm so sorry. We gotta shake the sample well. This is the Arctic Berry Oil Cocktail. Multivitamin cocktail to energize skin glow and replenish the skin. I definitely need that. And it's for normal to dry skin, and she is oily. So thank you for this, because I definitely need all of the hydration that I can get. Shake before use, apply to face before moisturizer. It's pretty straightforward. Oh, something fell. Oh, a little hand sanitizer packet to go. I love that. She's keeping me safe during COVIDs. And we got a little goodie pack over here. We have the gigantic showerless body wipes. I had some by the Berry Wish. Those came in handy during exam time in college. I know, gross TMI. We lived in the library for them chemistry finals. Organic chem, quant, Chem, instrumental. Those days were rough. So I haven't used wipes like these in a long time. And then we have another wipe by the same brand. This one's unscented. And then this one is Guano Starfruit. And then this last product, we have a CBD relief foot mask. I don't know if I will get much use out of this. This is something I will probably give to Griffin. I do have pretty hydrated and soft feet, so I'm not gonna need this nearly as much as Griffin might need, but this was a fun little friend mail exchange. I always have a blast doing them. She was just cracking me up like, you want to do another one? I'm like, wait, I don't have nearly as much product right now. I'm working on my 2K giveaway, and I just did a mini declutter as well. So I just need to go through and put hers together. I am on the struggle bus right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little friend mail exchange that she sent over my way. Have you done any friend mail exchanges with your friends? I know I get super excited when friends hit me up that they're going to be sending something my way. I always want to send them something their way as well. These definitely mean so much to me, and I'm super glad that Laura thought of me to do an exchange like this. And don't forget to check out Laura's video to see what I sent her way. Her channel will be linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.